Hi, I'm Jennifer with Audrey Lane. We are excited to introduce to you today our custom design tool. Before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about our collection. Our collection was created by designers for designers to give you a one-of-a-kind custom tile pattern for your project. Keep in mind, our products are made of porcelain tile, so they are perfect for any interior or exterior application. Let's go ahead and get started. You can get to the custom design tool via the main navigation, custom design tool button, or within each individual product page. Once you land on the navigation for the custom design tool, we're going to give you the water jet collection, scored collection, or Mark V collection. Today I'm going to work with a water jet collection. Next, we have simple black and white line drawings of all of our patterns and shapes. This is so you can easily visualize your design with your colors selected for your project. I'm going to select the happy pattern today. Next, you simply work your way down the left-hand panel. For example, I'm going to start at the pattern. Here you see I have Happy A selected. If you choose to change that, simply click the tab and it'll take you right back to the black and white line drawings. Next, you're going to see the size of the pattern. We have petite scale, which is traditionally a 6 to 8 inch range, up to Titan scale, which lives in that 24-inch range. I'm working on a kitchen backsplash. I'm going to start in the petite scale. Next, you choose your display space. The display space is simply telling you that this box is a 3 foot by 3 foot box. If you're working on a floor, for example, you'd probably change your display space to 20 feet. But since I'm working on a backsplash, I'm going to keep my display space at 3 feet. Next is the fun part. You choose your color palette. All of our colors and raw materials here are made of commercially rated porcelain tile. The matte finish meets DCOF. Polished, of course, does not. We have marble effects, solids, textile, glass, terrazzos, wood, metals, and even mirror. Keep in mind, some of our metals and mirror are reserved for wall only. Since I'm working on a backsplash, I'm going to choose some nice, yummy, warm tones. And maybe a pop of color. Next is our design mode. We have two design modes, freeform, which will allow you to simply just click and play and design your own, or you can hit the blend button, which will randomly blend your design based on the percentages here. You can go back and change these percentages if you'd rather have a color weighted heavier over the others. Next is the repeat function. The repeat function is fun here. You can repeat rows and columns. I'm going to change to 2 rows and 2 columns and see what I can come up with. As you can see, simply just select the space and it's going to automatically repeat your pattern. Once you come to your desired design, simply continue down to the downloads. We have a specification sheet that will give you all the details you need to specify, as well as order samples. You see we have a happy pattern A and a petite scale. We're showing you a 36 by 36 display space and the colors used in the pattern. We also give you the option to have your client sign off if need be. We also give you a high-resolution image download, which will help with any renderings you may need to perform, as well as a room preview button. When you go hit room preview, notice that it's going to ask you to change your display space to 20 feet. That's so no matter what room you select, you have enough of the pattern to fill the space. Once you change your display space, simply go back to the Room Preview tab. We have multiple room options. So we have a simple drop down here to show you all the different spaces. Since I'm working on a kitchen backsplash, I'm going to select kitchen. Here is one that represents my space well. You will also have an option here to download as well as rotate your pattern if you have a linear pattern. I like this, but I think it's a little bit too busy for my client. So you simply X out, and I'm going to change the scale to a larger scale. And go right back to the room preview. There we go. That's perfect. We hope the tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at hello@audreylane.com. We'd love to see your designs. Please share on social using #AudreyLane.